Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,000 a month by selling your designs online. Now you might be wondering, is it really possible to make money from selling designs? The answer is absolutely yes, and today I'm going to break it all down for you. By the end of this video, you'll have your own online store where you can sell your designs on a variety of products from t-shirts to hats and so much more. The best part, you won't have to worry about printing, inventory or shipping. Everything will be handled for you.
17 minutes long video. Everything is properly laid out and literally almost everything is done using AI. And I want to use this video as a training video for my viewers so you can actually make money, and a training video for my program members who are already making money. Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. We publish training videos like this every single day to help people like you who are busy, have a 9-to-5 day job, don't have a lot of time to learn and do everything yourself. We try to make it comprehensive and bite-sized at the same time. We try to make it step by step as much as possible, and we need a favor from you. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. This way we can hit our goal of getting 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and you can be notified when we will upload our next money video. And if you think these videos are good, feel free to share with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to our channel as well. Let's go. And one of the main reasons I'm sharing this video with you today, I will break it down for you, make it super simple, bite-sized, step by step, and give it to you on a silver platter completely free, is because I want you to have something completely ready, whether you are a VIP viewer or a freebie minded viewer. I know most of my viewers have a 9-to-5 day job or have an existing business, so you are busy, you don't have time to watch a 17 minutes long video, and even if you do, you will not remember most of it. So I have analyzed the video on your behalf, and I figured the whole system has 6 steps called design. DESIGN. I'm gonna hide the details to hold your curiosity. And another reason I'm hiding the details is because you do not need this step. You do not need this step either. These two are basically one single step, and this is done only one time and you never have to do it again. So basically there are only 1, 2 and a third step which is missing. Yes, my friend, this video will show you all the steps except one important step. Without this one step, nobody is going to make money, but he is going to make money because he is doing it. So although this is a great training, I love this man, I am a follower and I watch his videos. Even we will learn from his videos today, but we are not going to make money from this video unless we figure the third step out. So my brothers and sisters, we're going to focus on this step and make real money. Let's begin, and we
are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to generate the prompts for the t-shirt design. Instead of brainstorming ideas for hours, we're going to use an AI tool that help us generate creative prompts for t-shirt designs in just seconds. To use this tool, just click the link below the video and it'll take you to this page.
And the link is the first one. When you click here, you will go straight to this print design prompts part. This is quite interesting because usually as a user, you go to sign up page, you use your email, then log in, then go to the home page with all other options and all. But here in this case, you go straight to the print design prompts. Why is that? Before that, I want to establish something. Why are we even talking about shirts, print, design? Because a lot of time I get a lot of DMs from my viewers, followers, subscribers, and even customers that I want to start drop shipping business. I want to start a clothing brand. I want to start e-commerce. Sometimes people even say, I have tried everything and nothing works. Everybody on the internet are liars. Then I ask, Okay, what happened? Have you tried anything before? Yes, I tried drop shipping. I tried print on demand. I tried e-commerce. Then wow, okay. Where was your shop? Oh, Shopify. Right. How much did you pay Shopify per month? Oh, I was on trial. I didn't pay anything. I got it. Okay. Now, how did you choose products? Oh, I saw some YouTube videos. Great. Okay. And what was your traffic source? Look, I was doing everything and nothing worked. I didn't make money. They're all lies. It's all false. They're all scams. I say, yeah, okay. I got it. I understand. Just tell me, where did you get customers from? Oh, from TikTok. Huh. TikTok. That's amazing. I made a couple of grants from TikTok. TikTok actually works. So how did you actually get traffic from TikTok? I posted videos. How many visitors did you get? I get none. No visitor. Right. And how many videos did you post? 4. But I got no views. Ah, okay. Yeah, I probably do understand. But my students don't have any problems. And that's why they make pretty much easy money. And that's how they make money. So I hope you understood that a lot of people want to do clothing brand, e-commerce, drop shipping, print on demand, sell shirts, but they don't know the basics. And we are going to establish basics right here on this video. And you will go away with a complete knowledge from this video. So stay tuned. So this Gravity Write is an AI tool that will help you write. So you can select how many creative design prompt you need or you want. You can select 4, 5, whatever. And the design idea can be, let's say, football team, and create content. Now the content is being created. You can see the design prompt right here. Now, why is this design prompt so important? AI is easy. You can just write something and AI will do it for you. Am I right? Not quite right. Yes, AI will give you whatever you ask, but the secret is in the details. And this software is giving you a detailed prompt. Now, hey, this software is not free. It's a paid software. And if you don't want to pay for this software, there is a solution for that. And you literally don't need this software at all. I will show you how to do it literally for free. Let's stick to the plan and check our first steps. Design prompts that we have just created, and then we will go to Google and look for Leonardo AI. Now again, Leonardo AI is not really a free application, but it is a great one. And you get a lot of credit to work with when you create a free account with just your email. And then you go to image creation, choose Leonardo Phoenix, the latest version for your designs. Copy one of the prompts, Control C, put it here, Control V, and click generate. Now you can see AI is working and it is creating your design. You can also use all these different options based on their availability in your plan, but the free plan is good enough. Now you got 4 designs. Now remember, I told you that you can create this prompt using a free AI. We are still scratching the surface. We are not close to money yet. Stay tuned, watch this video completely. If you go and jump on this video or any other video, you will not be able to make money. So stay focused. Go to Google and search for QWEN AI, which is Qwen AI. It's a brand new AI from China and it is 100% free. I simply asked, I am launching a clothing brand on Redbubble. I need design for shirt. Can you act like an award-winning clothing brand designer and help with detailed prompts? Hit enter. Just have a conversation like having a conversation with a real person. Don't worry about prompt. Now, before I even asked to write a prompt, it started writing. And it's giving me some options like minimalist line art, retro vibes, nature-inspired abstract. But before that, you need to mention the name of your brand, who is your target audience, what style or vibe do you want to convey? Are there specific themes or niches you're targeting? Okay, we want retro vibes and we want to copy it, put it here in the same AI without going to Leonardo, which will eventually charge you money. Okay, but I want something else. So I said, the audience are young football fans, so we need designs with football materials. And let's leave it to the AI. Let's give AI options to give us more options. Okay, here we go. We got 1. I want to try the 3rd one, and I will click image generation, and then I will copy and paste the 3rd prompt and see what happens. It's a free AI, so why don't we give it a try? And yes, we got something. It is not what we are looking for, but hey, we got something. And you can try back and forth, get your desired design. And if it doesn't work at all, Leonardo is always there to create a new account with just an email. So this application is not really required, right? Then why did he even use this application? application. We'll come back to that in a moment. So the second step is edit your designs using AI application or any other design creation application. Now, in this step, we're going to set up store. We will go to a website called redbubble.com. Click sign up, and we want to create an account as an artist. Put your email, put your shop name, and put your password. Once you create an account successfully on Redbubble, you will go and select shirts, and then you will copy and paste your design on your shirt. And you do all other necessary details. Put it in a t-shirt, put it in a hoodie and a different color, use multiple color options, and all other details. Now, don't worry about these right now. You can learn these details later at any time when you actually set up. The next thing, your business details, including your payment processor. It is suggested to use PayPal, but if you don't have PayPal, you can use direct bank deposit option, and that's how you get paid. And when someone buys from you, here is the best part. Redbubble will receive the order, will print the shirt, and will ship it to the customer. Then after some time, like 7 days or 10 days, there is an interval mentioned in their website, send you the payment. Super simple. This is awesome, right? Now, my friend, tell me something. Where in this process do you see who is ordering your shirt? Who is paying the money to Redbubble? I mean, where are your customers? This guy is not a bad guy. He actually showed you where you get the customers from. And the customers are essentially coming from search engine. And that's why he has an SEO or search engine optimization enhancer in his AI application. So when you go to SEO tools, you can work on this meta title, topical map, title generator, etc. And he's not wrong. Redbubble actually gets 48% organic traffic and 35% direct traffic. So there are possibilities that you will get some traffic or maybe some customers here and there when your store ranks on top of Google. But this is not enough. And SEO is not easy, not fast. Getting customers with SEO or search engine optimization is a slow burning process. It is absolutely not recommended as the #1 traffic source, especially when you are starting out. Because when you're starting out, you want to get results as fast as possible. So you need customers fast. And the fast customer method is not shown in this video. Fast customer method is missing in this whole system. And that is #3. But our 99% done for you program members don't have this problem because we do not recommend SEO as the primary traffic source or primary customer source. So they do not even try SEO. So what do? We do exactly what this guy is doing, but in a much easier way. So what is this guy doing? He makes videos every week, if not every day. I don't know. And his videos get hundreds of thousands of views. And in his videos, he tends to show you how to make money, but essentially he shows you how to use his software to make money. So instead of showing you how to get real traffic, real customers, he focused on how to create design, how to do SEO, how to write the meta details and all those descriptions and everything for your store using his AI software. Now, how do I know that this is his AI software? It's an assumption, because usually if it was not his application, or he was not a partner of this application, this link right here would be an affiliate link. This one is a direct link to the application. So he wants his viewers to go directly to the application, use the application, fall in love with it, and eventually upgrade to the paid version. Now, there is nothing wrong with that. I am just showing you what he does to make real money. You might argue that he also makes money from his video views and affiliate marketing and all. Yes, it's true. But he also makes money from here, selling his own application. Use videos to drive traffic and customers. So let's have a look at how he gets traffic and customers. #1, he makes long videos. #2, he makes tutorials or training videos. #3, they are highly edited videos that very few beginners can do. #4, he has his own AI application to sell and make money. What if you can't do any of this? Because you have a 9 to 5 day job, you have maximum 2 to 3 hours per day to try a side hustle. That's why we do something totally opposite. Instead of long video, we do short videos. Instead of tutorials, we use something called 3-line system. It takes a couple of minutes to make a video. Our videos are not highly edited. And instead of having your own app, building it, maintain it, managing customer support, all the shenanigans, we do affiliate marketing. So there are products, applications, softwares that we promote and make money, but they belong to the product owner, and we work only as an affiliate, yet we earn 50% commission for sale, which is exactly like a partner. That's why we are affiliate partner. And that's not all. When we make those short videos, we basically use AI to make our life easy. That is totally a different topic for a different video. We have already covered this in the past, and we will cover this again in the future. But right now, this is the summary. We use AI, we learn new skills and information fast. Then we use our knowledge and experience of using AI and the new skill that we learn fast. Then we make short videos, 30-second to 60-second long, and we upload them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. These platforms send us views to our videos, and these viewers are then taken to an AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling for us, and we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the best of the best part, the whole system is 99% done for you. And that is why making money is so simple for these beginner members of our 99% done for you system. You want to learn more? I highly recommend go and watch this video from the link in the description. It is a completely free to watch training, and at the end of the training you will learn about our program, and you can take an educated decision whether this program is the best fit for you or not. And of course, I am always there, answer all your questions. You want to chat with my AI agent? Use this. It will give you amazing answers. That's it for today. I covered everything you need in order to make money. I'm going to turn this video information and all this AI analysis into a book, and the link will be in the description. You can get it for free. If this video was good and helpful, give me a like. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and switch on the notification bell button. This way, YouTube will let you know when we will upload our next video. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.